Hello Crossfire folks. This video is to teach you how to do a bench test at home so you can tell if your RCM is operating correctly or not. This doesn't mean it's not bad, but it gives you a good idea that it is functioning as it's supposed to. These are the connections on the RCM. You'll see they're A, B, C, D, E with the various pins. I'll show you which pins connect to check the relays on your relay control module. We'll start off with the air pump. I've got my power supply here, UPS battery, 12 volts. I'm going to take my negative lead and hook it up to connection A3. If I can get a grip. And then take my positive lead and tap it on A1, and that'll get my air pump relay. You can see that relay is operating correctly. The problem with the air pump relay would be it could work, but if the contacts are burnt, you still might get a code P0410. All right, next we'll check the fuel pump, leaving the negative on A3. We're going to take our positive and tap it to E3. You can hear it and see it. Fuel pump in this case is good. Next, we will check the engine control and traction control. We will move our negative from A3 to B5, which is the ground, and then we will connect our positive to, actually tap it, to D2. Both relays operate at the same time. Engine control, traction control. These are operating correctly. Last one to check is the horn relay. We leave the negative in its position and we go to D1, and you see it's operating. That, my friends, is how you can bench check your RCM. If all of those pass, you probably have a good RCM, but not 100%. Thanks. See you next time.